COVID-19 has really become a serious problem. We all need to know about all the preventive and the treatment measures of the COVID-19. We will start with the transmission and the infectivity of the COVID-19. I am Dr. Deepak Garg. We will start with the basic information about the virus. This is an important human and the animal pathogen. It was identified as the cause of cluster of pneumonia cases in the Wuhan, a city in the Hubei province of China. It rapidly spread and resulted in an epidemic in China, followed by increase in number of cases throughout the world. In February 2020, WHO designated the disease as COVID-19, which stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. This virus uses the same receptors on the alveolar cell as the SARS virus, ACE2 receptors. Transmission is mainly from person to person. Primary means of transmission is by close range contact, mainly via respiratory droplets, while the person infected with the COVID-19 cough, sneezes or talk, the respiratory droplets contains coronavirus. If a person comes within 6 feet of the infected patient who cough, sneezes or talk and releases the respiratory droplets in the air, and with these droplets have the capacity to travel up to 6 feet, that means 2 meters, and the person inhales in that air, take the droplets inside and get infected with the virus. So the social distancing is more than 2 meters to prevent the inhalation of the respiratory droplets. Another means of transmission are touch an infected surface. If a healthy person touches an infected surface and after that touches his eyes, nose, mouth without washing the hand or without using a sanitizer, then the virus will go inside the respiratory tract and he will be infected by the virus. How long the virus survives on the surface is a controversial, but it is suggested that it may survive up to 6 to 9 days. So it's a very long time it can survive on the surfaces. Airborne route is controversial. Airborne route means the particles are smaller than the respiratory droplets and have a capability to travel more than 6 feet. But this route is controversial. Some studies have identified viral RNA in ventilator system and in air system of hospitals with COVID-19 positive patients. There is no evidence that SARS-CoV virus 2 can be transmitted through contact with non-mucous membrane sites. We talk about the period of infectivity. If a person gets the COVID-19 infection, then how long he will be infecting the other people? The precise interval is uncertain. It appears that infection can be transmitted prior to the development of symptoms, means the patient has no symptom, but if he is infected with the coronavirus and is in the incubation period, can still infect the other people, and he can infect throughout the course of the disease. If this is the start of the disease and this is the end of the disease, the infectivity will be there for the whole duration, but the infectivity will be maximum in the early phase of the disease. So this is the early phase of the disease. Infectivity will be maximum in this phase. Maximum infectivity will be 6 to 7 days after the onset of the disease. It is suggested that there may be a threshold of the viral RNA. That means the minimum amount of the RNA that is required to cause the infection. That may be that threshold of virus RNA level below which the infectivity is unlikely. And isolation of the infectious virus from the upper respiratory tract specimen more than 9 days after the onset of the illness has not yet been documented. If we talk about the risk of transmission, the risk of transmission depend on the type and duration of exposure. Usually when we stay at home with our family members, our relatives, we usually don't use mask and the duration of exposure is longer. So there is a very high chance that if we are infected, our family members will get the infection. Use of the preventive measures, and there are individual factors. That means if the person contains a high viral load, then he will be more infective. He will transmit infection to more people and more easily. Thank you guys.